All right, good morning, CF Holiday Pirates. What's going on this wonderful Tuesday? Um, Nice to see some of your comments from yesterday. Sorry, Manuela, that you didn't enjoy the Star Wars, but um, Ray, she's a great character, So, all right, so today for our poetry writing, we are going to write a Tetractys. Super simple. All right. Well, I mean, it's only 5 lines. And actually, I think I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18 total words for this one. So, what is a tetrazetes? It's a poetic form of the tetrazetes is a poem with only 5 lines. Each line adds another syllable until your last line which has 10. So, okay. So, here we go. So here's your structure, 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first one is 1 syllable, so it's a 1 syllable word. 2 syllables, 2 words, not very big, or maybe 1 word that's 2 syllables, like teaching. So 3 syllable word, 3 words or 3 syllables, however you want to do it. 4 syllables, and then the last one is your big word or big line. It's 10 syllables. All right, so here is an example of the tetracetes. I am 4, so there's 1 syllable, 2 syllables, and I go to big school where, so there's 4 syllables. I learn to read and write and spell my name. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, there's not a whole lot of words, and you can make it about anything you like. So let me, oh, there's the double tetrazetes. We're not doing a double. All right, let me get out of here. And then you go to your poetry book, which mine is back over here. Bring it up. So this will be in your Google Drive. Yeah, if you gave it to me or turned it in, just get it back. And if you don't know how to do that, send us a message and we'll get it back for you or help you with that. Sorry, this is the slow computer. I don't have a camera on the quick one. So, all right. So as of right now, we have an acrostic poem. Acrostic was the poetry that went where you use the first letter of whatever word. There you go. Likes to eat tacos. I don't know what happened to my words there. Okay. All right. So there you go. Hold on, let me fix this. Like I have. So okay. Actually, let me has access to this. Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. I guess my loader. Then we had the acrostic that was kind of in sentences. We did a haiku, 575. There was what was this one? Oh, the Diamante. Yep, yep, where you had 2 different subjects. And then the last one we did was the sequane. So now we're on to the, all right. Okay. So line 1 syllable. So I. Line 2, love 2. Yeah, I don't want it to be changing it to left justified. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Sorry, there's multiple text boxes here for some reason. Line 3, 3 syllables. I love to teach small kids. They are very smart. Okay. So that's kind of my first, that's my first 4 lines. And the last one, I love to, teaching them things during the day. All right, so let's see. Did I get it correct here? Okay, 1 syllable. I. Okay, so love to. That's 2. Eat. Yeah, I took my first letter off. Teach small kids. Yep, they are very smart. Nice. I love teaching. There's 2 syllables. Them things during, yeah, the day. All right. So there is your Tetractys. Good times. Let's see. See if I can come up with a cool picture real quick here. Upload from the computer. Let's see what we got here. There you go. There's a, let's see, it should pop up here. Here it comes. Yeah, so uh, that's my main man, Xander Sears. He's, if you know Xander, he's over in, I think, 7th grade now. So this is back at probably a 4th grade picture. We had a PTO night over at the, for some kind of thing. So it was probably your teacher in the face. So there you go. So there we go. There's the Tetractys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. If you have any questions, let us know. We are here for you. And I will talk to you later. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Looks like the weather's going to change a little bit. Yesterday was pretty horrible. So have a great day.